Alrighty guys, what's going on? It's Wednesday. We got the tires for the BMW. We got my guy over here trying to focus while he's driving this fucking death trap. Oh my god.
There's a lot of play in this steering wheel.
Here's the tires, there's the wheels back there. We're on our way to get them mounted and we'll be back.
So what's up guys? It's been like 3 days. It's been like a week actually.
It's been a week since
It's been like a week.
It's been a week since we got the rims. We got the tires on Wednesday, so it's been 4 days, 5 days. I don't know, I'm bad at it.
It's been a week.
It's been a week, fuck it, yeah.
So we got the new wheels mounted and everything, but as good as the fitment is, it's rubbing up. As you can see right here, there's chunks of my wheel being taken off. So it's pretty bad. I'm hoping today to go get in there with the Dremel and make some room or take off whatever is chopping at my wheel, and hopefully we can sit flush. This is for the driver's side. The passenger side doesn't seem to have the same problem, even though I cut them the same way, but that's obviously not true because this one has problems. But so we're gonna go ahead and Dremel some of the inner what's that shit called? The fender?
Wheel well?
Yeah, some of the fender, wheel well, whatever. There's metal lip. There's a metal lip, so we're gonna shave that off some more. Hopefully that will stop it from cutting into our wheel.
Well, here's the wheel well. We think it's getting sliced up like around here and probably around here as well. Not too sure, but we're gonna try to figure it out right now in a little bit. So yeah, we'll get back to you in a bit.
Yeah, we'll see how we do this. All right, we got this grinder.
It's a Dremel.
Dremel. I'm sorry. Oh shit. Okay.
That should be okay now. I don't think the tire should get in the way there. As far as here goes, I mean, all this is just rubber. It's literally just this. I need a cutting wheel for this.
For this one?
Yeah, for this piece right here.
No, because it's all this.
Yeah. I'm gonna chop this up.
You don't have that.
You have a cutting wheel?
No.
Why don't you have a cutting wheel?
Because I'm poor.
I don't know what happened to my cutting wheel.
I don't have it.
It's fucking gone. To go buy a cutting wheel.
Alrighty, we're back from the store. We got these cutting wheels, and we're gonna cut.
Yeah, hopefully this will take care of the rubbing we had. It's just literally one little corner, and that seems to be the difference between the other side, which doesn't rub. Well, it rubbed, but it's not tire shredding rubbing. So hopefully this...
It's not taking chunks out. Hold on.
Basically. Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
Find a little spot for this. Okay, this way. I remember how I did this. There's no way to do it.
What's up?
Uh,
I don't know. It's kind of sketchy.
I did it the first time. I just don't remember how I did it, or maybe I just did it just as retarded. But I can't.
Just gotta give it all the power and just slice.
But I can't see.
How's that?
Just gonna do what I think I did the first time.
Oh my god, that's my phone.
Sorry. It wasn't on purpose.
My legs.
You okay?
They're stuck. Fuck. There. I'm back.
Should be good. Hopefully, we'll find out right now.
Put the tire back on. There you go. Spooky.
Put the wheel back on. Oh no!
You fucking idiot.
Damn it. Alright guys, pretty dark outside, but here's what we got accomplished. So,
Come around.
yeah.
Hold on.
So we finished cutting a little bit more, but it turns out like if we wanted to actually fix it, we would need to cut a lot more. So what I ended up doing is just hammering out this piece right here, because it was, you can't see it, but in here was a sharp edge, kind of basically this, only straight over here, which is taking chunks out of my wheel. So I took the half wrench and that magazine, and yeah, just use it kind of like a little wood block or whatever. So
Just bang the shit out of it.
yeah, and just basically banged it flat, or as flat as I could. But it doesn't look like that's gonna get in the way anymore. At least I hope it doesn't, but it should just, hopefully just squeeze in there. But we're gonna go for a test drive right now, clean up, go for a test drive, and hopefully everything got fixed.
Ew.
Alright guys, finally after a week we can wrap this shit up. The BMW is 100% back and in business. There are some things we have to button up just from the car sitting for so long, but it's all detail work. But as we get that done, we'll bring you guys along and we'll get the BMW running 110%. Right now one of the O-rings for like one of the coolant lines is like leaking, so we need to get one of those O-rings. For you guys that don't know, a lot of the connections on the BMW are like quick connects, and there's a little O-ring inside of them, so that O-ring is probably bad, and that's why it's leaking. So we're gonna get that replaced. At least I hope that will fix it. But yeah, she's 100% back. We fixed a rubbing issue with we basically just took if you guys don't know, or if you guys have heard like the phone book method, or just putting like magazines under your fender, we were hoping to do that to like push up the piece that was straight, to kind of just bend it up, but it did it a little bit but not enough. So I just took a rubber mallet or a hammer to it and just knocked it back. It flattened it out a bit, and we got no more of the at least the tire shredding rubbing. It still rubs, but you know, when your tire barely fits in there, it's gonna rub somewhere, but it's not gonna be catastrophic to where it's shaving my tire. Fucking died. Anyways, BMW's back next week, 100%. Subaru is getting.
You can't see it. Fucking.
That's right. Subaru's gonna start taking apart. I already messaged Jaguar. I got an invoice from them, so I can send my stuff over, and hopefully we can get all that done by December. But like I said, we'll bring you guys along for the whole actual swap of the Subaru, and it's gonna be good. We're gonna have a good time. We'll see you guys later.